This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce in New Jersey without a lawyer. First, you must meet the state's residency requirement, which means living in New Jersey for at least 12 consecutive months before filing. Next, determine if your divorce will be uncontested, meaning you and your spouse agree on all terms, or contested. Finally, begin gathering all necessary personal and financial documents, such as tax returns and bank statements, to prepare for the process. Once you have gathered your information, the next step is to prepare your divorce papers. This includes accurately completing the complaint for divorce and any other required forms, such as a certification of complementary dispute resolution. After completing these documents, you will file them with the clerk of the Superior Court in the county where you or your spouse resides. Be prepared to pay the filing fee, which is generally around $300, at the time of submission. After filing your documents, your spouse must be formally served with the divorce papers. This ensures they are legally notified of the proceedings. You can arrange for service through a sheriff's office or a private process server, but you cannot serve the papers yourself. It is crucial that service adheres strictly to New Jersey court rules. Once service is complete, the person who served the papers will provide you with a proof of service, which you must then file with the court. The final stage involves attending any required court hearings or mediation sessions to resolve outstanding issues. If your divorce is uncontested, you and your spouse will draft a marital settlement agreement outlining all terms, such as asset division and child custody. This agreement is vital for a smooth finalization. Finally, you will submit the proposed judgment of divorce to the judge for review and signature, officially dissolving your marriage and concluding the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.